Hey, what's up YouTube family? Today I'm going to share my journey of how I hit 1000 subscribers on YouTube and how you can do it too. Whether you're starting out or stuck at 100 subscribers, this video is packed with tips and strategies that work for me and will help you grow your channel. And guess what? We're not just talking about subs, we're talking about making real money online by leveraging your channel's potential. So grab a pen, notebook, and let's dive in. Alright, so before you can hit 1000 subscribers, you need to set your foundation right. Step 1, you've got to pick a niche. Now, I know this might sound basic, but your niche will be what sets you apart from millions of other channels. Think about what you're passionate about: gaming, tech reviews, DIY crafts, but also ask yourself, is there an audience for this? Use tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to explore what's trending within your niche and identify gaps you can fill. And once you've nailed down your niche, it's time to get consistent. YouTube's algorithm loves consistent upload schedules. I started posting at least once a week, and let me tell you, consistency is king on YouTube. The more often you upload, the more chances you have to get discovered. Next up is content quality. Look, when I started, I didn't have the best camera or a professional studio, but guess what? You don't need that. As long as you have decent lighting and clear audio, you're good to go. Trust me, people are more interested in valuable content than whether you're using a $1,000 camera. But if you're thinking about what tools to invest in, here's what worked for me. A simple ring light, a decent microphone, something like the Blue Yeti, or even a lavalier mic. And of course, a user-friendly editing tool. I started with iMovie, then later switched to Premiere Pro as my editing skills improved. Keep it simple in the beginning and focus on providing valuable, engaging content. Alright, let's talk about one of the most important factors in growing your channel: video optimization. This is where SEO comes into play. It's not just about creating great content, but making sure your videos are discoverable. Here's how you can do it. First, video titles. I always include a keyword in my title, something that's searched frequently but doesn't have too much competition. Use phrases like "how to", "tips for", and "best of" to increase searchability. Second, your description and tags. Many new YouTubers overlook this, but your video description is prime real estate for including keywords. Make sure to describe what the video is about in detail and add links to your social media or any resources. And don't forget about tags. These are essential for helping YouTube categorize your video properly. Tools like VidIQ can help you find the best tags to use. Lastly, thumbnails. Think of your thumbnail as the first impression. It's the cover of your video, and it needs to be click-worthy. A clear, colorful image with bold text that teases the content will dramatically increase your click-through radius. I found that after I started putting effort into my thumbnails, my views and subscribers shot up. Now, let's talk about engagement. Your audience is everything, especially when you're trying to hit that first milestone of 1000 subscribers. Reply to comments, like them, ask questions, and even give shoutouts to your viewers in your videos. This is how you create a community around your channel. And trust me, a loyal audience is way more valuable than just chasing views. I even like to ask my viewers what type of content they want to see next. It makes them feel valued and part of the process. You want to build a connection with your subscribers so they're more likely to stick around and help you grow. Now, let's talk about the exciting part: monetization. The moment you hit 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, you can apply to the YouTube Partner Program. This means you can start earning through ads, and if you're lucky, you'll even start getting sponsorship offers. But ads aren't the only way to make money. Once I hit 1000 subs, I also started using affiliate marketing. Basically, you promote products or services you believe in, and whenever someone buys through your link, you get a commission. You can also sell your own products to paid promotions or even set up a Patreon for extra income. Remember, even with a small audience, if you build a strong connection with your subscribers, you can make decent money online. Start focusing on multiple streams of income as early as possible. So there you have it. That's how I reached 1000 subscribers on YouTube and started making money online. It wasn't easy, but with the right mindset, consistency, and a solid strategy, you can do it too. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks on growing your YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments how close you are to hitting your first 1000 subscribers or so. If you have any questions, I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating and growing.